Hi, in this video we'll be talking about sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique and immutable objects. The features of sets. Sets are mutable, but they can't contain mutable objects. We can define sets either using curly braces or using the built-in set function. Here's how we define sets in curly braces. Flowers equals curly braces, just like with dictionaries. But here we don't have any key value pairs. We have just the items in the set. So this is the definition of a set. Let's now print it out. And you get the elements of the set in curly braces. We can create sets out of sequences like strings, lists, or tuples. This time let's use the set function. Any repeating elements in the sequence will not get into the set. So let's start with a string. Here we have a string, text equals hello. And now let's use the set function to make a set of the elements in this string. And these are the elements in the string. As you can see, we have double L in the string, but there is only one L in the set, because the elements in the set must be unique. And now an example with a list. First, let's define a list. Okay. And now let's make a set out of these elements. Set of colors equals set. And we pass the list to our set function. And this is what we get. And again, this time also each element occurs only once in the set. So although we have double or triple elements in the list, like here, blue and blue, or here, red, 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 there's only one blue and one red in the set. Finally, an example with a tuple. This time let's pass a literal directly as the argument of the set function. So, again, here the elements are repeated multiple times, but in the set, each occurs only once. The elements of a set must be immutable. If we try to make a set of mutable elements like lists, we get an error. So let's try to define the following set. Well, we get an error because lists are mutable. Now, if we need to create an empty set, we cannot use empty curly braces like so. Equals, because this time what we get is actually an empty dictionary. Let's check it out. So, if we want to create an empty set, we must use the set function, like so. And now we have a set. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.